Disease management in mushroom cultivation. Prevention is key. Preventing diseases from occurring in the first place is crucial in mushroom cultivation. This can be achieved by maintaining a clean and sanitized growing environment, using high-quality spawn and substrate materials, implementing proper temperature and humidity controls, ensuring good air circulation and exchange, monitoring crops regularly for signs of disease. Integrated Pest Management (IPM) strategies. IPM involves using a combination of techniques to manage diseases and pests in mushroom cultivation. These can include cultural controls, adjusting growing conditions to prevent disease development; biological controls, using beneficial organisms to combat disease-causing pathogens; chemical controls, using fungicides or bactericides to control disease outbreaks; resistant cultivars, using mushroom varieties that are resistant to specific diseases. Early detection and identification. Early detection and identification of diseases are critical in preventing their spread and minimizing losses. This can be achieved by regularly monitoring crops for signs of disease, using diagnostic tools, such as microscopy or PCR, to identify disease-causing pathogens, implementing quarantine and isolation procedures to prevent disease spread. Disease management options. Depending on the type and severity of the disease, various management options can be employed, including removing and disposing of infected mushrooms or substrate, applying fungicides or bactericides to control disease outbreaks, implementing cultural controls, such as adjusting temperature or humidity, to prevent disease development, using biological controls, such as beneficial fungi or bacteria, to combat disease-causing pathogens. Breeding for disease resistance. Breeding mushroom varieties with natural resistance to specific diseases can be an effective long-term strategy for disease management. This can involve selecting and breeding mushroom varieties with known disease resistance, using genetic markers to identify disease-resistant traits, developing new mushroom varieties with improved disease resistance,